The Minister of Trade and Industry Soraya Hakuziyaremye, State Minister in the Ministry of Infrastructure Engineer Jean de Dieu Wihanganye, and Rwandair CEO Yvonne Manzimakolo cut and shared a cake as a symbol of the launch of flights between Kigali and Kinshasa. Rwandan business persons have welcomed the launch of Rwandair flights to Kinshasa as it is a way to expand their business. Like most of us in business, we had this dream for long, but it was high time to have this route. We have so much to thank President Paul Kagame for opening doors in different places. It is a major step, and this flight to Congo-Kinshasa means a lot. Congolese citizens in Rwanda who took part in the maiden flight indicated that they had to travel through other countries before arriving in their own country, adding that it is good news for them and their families. This shows good relations between the two countries, and relations which will continue. Rwanda receives many tourists. We hope that those who will come from Rwanda can visit Zongo, Mwanda, Bonobo, Kinshasa. Why not?
Visiter Zongo, Mwanda, visit aussi les Bonobo, Kinshasa, pourquoi pas.
Rwanda will make 3 flights a week to Kinshasa, Monday, Friday and Sunday. The State Minister in the Ministry of Infrastructure, Engineer Jean de Dieu Wihanganye, praised Rwanda's progress in air transport and related services. The airline plans to get new planes in addition to the existing aircrafts. It will increase flights. Now it is Kinshasa, but soon it will be Luanda, Addis Ababa, China,